Okay, so this is lesson 8, page 4. Here's what they want us to do. Sprites have lots of properties. Check out the 2 new blocks in this activity and try them out for yourself. Notice that different sprites can use the same animation and still look different because of properties. So all of these, I'm going to run it. All of these are the same animation. 8th note. These 2 look a little different. They want me to use rotation and scale blocks on the last 2 notes to make them look different too. All right. So I'm going to scroll down and see if I can find. So I want these 2 to have a different size and a different rotation, different scale. So I'm guessing these are notes 3 and 4. And I'm going to go to my sprites drawer in the toolbox. And I'm going to grab Sprite Scale. I'm going to put it right underneath my note 3, which is this one, I think. I'm going to make sure it's named note 3. And the scale is going to be, let's see, 1 is full sized. That looks a little bit big. I'm going to make it half sized. 0.5 is half. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that looks better. All right. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to Sprite Scale and put it underneath note 4. And I'm going to make that note 4. And I'm going to make the scale, I'm going to make this one 0.25, 25%. Okay, so I've changed the size of the notes. Now I need to change the rotation. So I'm going to take this one underneath note 3. This is sprite.rotation. Note 3, no spaces allowed. Okay, there we go. And I want it to turn 45 degrees. This is 90. Here's 45. So I'm just going to type 45. Let's see what happens. Ah, see, it's got rotated. And this one, I want to rotate 45 the other way. So I'm going to grab my sprite scale again and put it underneath note 4. Oh, geez. Here we go, sprite scale. And, hold on. I'm going to rename it and put in the name of the sprite that I'm changing. Equals, and I'm going to make my I did the wrong thing. That's scale. I want a rotation. Boop, boop. Grab my rotation, and I'm going to make this one minus 45. I want to go back this way. Yeah, now they look like crazy notes. All right, and there it is. That's how you do it. Amazing. That's lesson 8, page 4.